Hey, what's up, my peeps? Special Ed here. Get some full frontal today. Got some color at the beach, so did catch a fish, one fish. It was a keeper too, but it was early, so I let it go. Anyway, I wanted to show you. I'm done with my first table we talked about. Right there. I'm going to go ahead and attach a video at the end of this, and we can check it out a little closer. But for now, I am going to smooth this beauty right here, and this is poplar, so I'm told. I still find it hard to believe, but we're going to flatten it on this side, flip it over, flatten it on the other side, so we have a solid piece. It's about 2 inches, about 6/4 maybe. It's pretty cool grain in there. Hold on. First time with a new camera. No, kidding. So I'm going to flatten it, and I'll get back to you guys.